Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In the last video, we looked at how to create a view. In this video, we look at how to query the view. So similar to table, if you need to query a view or if you need to see the results of the view, you need to again submit a job. Again, you need to submit some number of AUs for that job to be executed. So the results, you can basically store them in any of the files, like for example tab separated file or comma separated file, in any of the file that you can specify within the output statement, and you can order the results of the query within here when you are querying the view, not when you are creating the view. So let's look at a demo. To query the view, go into your views and select the view for which you want to query and just say query the view. Again, like querying the table, querying a view will basically create a new job for you, and you need to submit this job if you need to view the contents of the underlying data that's been queried by this view. So just review the code, review the job name and so on, and just go and submit the job. So the job is successful, and if you go into the data folder and into outputs tab, you can see the TSV file that is being created and note the contents of the file. So we have successfully queried a view. Thank you.